Welcome to our tutorial on split classification in AI Hub Build. We'll take one multi-page file, split it into separate documents, and classify each one, first with the built-in classifier, and then with our own custom splitting function. We start in a build project with a single file, split.pdf. Scrolling through it, it's really 4 documents in one: an invoice, a bill of lading, and 2 passport pages. Instead of jumping straight to a schema, we click Add Classes and define one class per document type we care about. We create an invoice class, then a passport class. Each class can take an optional description to help the model, and anything that doesn't match will fall into the built-in other class. When we hit Classify Documents, we're asked how to handle multi-page files. We turn on Split Multi-Page Files and choose Split by Documents, which uses context to find document boundaries, rather than splitting at every page break. We continue and classification kicks off. The model reads every page, decides where one document ends and the next begins, and assigns each piece a class. Our one file is now 4 documents grouped by class. The invoice on page 1, 2 passports, and the bill of lading lands in Other since we never defined a class for it. If we need more control, Project Settings has a file splitting tab with 3 methods: Classes, which uses the LLM, simple page breaks, or a custom splitting function. Let's write one. We name our function split UDF, and the editor starts us off with a template that shows the contract. Return a list of page ranges, with access to the documents page by page text. We'll clear it out and build our own from scratch. Each split is just a dictionary. We append our first one with a class label of invoice, a page start of 0, and a page end of 1. 2 things to remember. Page numbers are 0 indexed, and the page end is inclusive, so this split covers the first 2 pages of the file. Notice the autocomplete along the way. The function receives context like the page-by-page text and your class names, so you could split on content instead of fixed ranges. For now, we add a second split, passport, covering pages 2 and 3, and apply it with split files. Back in Documents, the file is resplit exactly as we coded it. One invoice covering pages 1 and 2, and one passport document covering pages 3 and 4. You can now split a file into individual documents and classify each document by type for accurate downstream processing.